Understanding electric range, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, electric range. This is a common term you might encounter in everyday conversations, especially when discussing kitchens or cooking. So, let's dive in and understand what electric range really means. An electric range is a kitchen appliance used for cooking. It typically combines an oven and a stovetop in one unit. The stovetop, also known as a cooktop, usually has 4 or more circular areas called burners or cooking zones. These burners use electricity to generate heat for cooking food. Oven. The oven is the enclosed part of the range, used for baking, roasting, and broiling food. It maintains a controlled temperature and often has different settings for various cooking methods. Stovetop. The stovetop, or cooktop, consists of several burners. These are the flat, round areas where you place pots or pans. The heat intensity of these burners can be adjusted to suit different cooking needs, from simmering to boiling. Control panel. Most electric ranges come with a control panel. This panel allows you to set temperatures, timers, and cooking modes for both the oven and the stovetop. Electric ranges are popular in many households due to their ease of use and consistent cooking temperatures. They are used for a wide range of cooking tasks, from making soups and sauces on the stovetop to baking cakes and roasting meats in the oven. One key advantage of electric ranges is their easy-to-clean surface. Unlike gas ranges, they have a smooth surface that can be wiped down without the hassle of removing burner grates. 1. Preheat the oven. For baking, it's important to preheat the oven to the desired temperature before placing your food inside. 2. Use flat-bottomed cookware. This ensures even heating and better cooking results on the stovetop. 3. Safety first. Always turn off the burners and oven after use and handle hot cookware with care to avoid burns. That's all about electric ranges. Whether you're discussing kitchen appliances or exploring recipes, understanding this term will definitely enhance your English vocabulary. Hope this video has been informative and helpful. Happy learning and see you in our next session.